This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna share with you one of my recipes that I love most. Perfectly roasted potatoes. So let's get right into it. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of honey gold bite-sized potatoes, red pepper flakes, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, garlic, pure olive oil, salt, Sazón Goya. Today, guys, we're gonna be using sin achiote. If you are wondering what is sazón, sazón is a type of seasoned salt found in Spanish and Mexico markets. With this packet, there is a delicious blend of coriander, garlic, cumin, and sometimes with annatto. Okay, now we're gonna cut our potatoes in half. Just like so, guys. I have my water boiling. Now I'm gonna add salt. Next, I'm gonna add my potatoes. Then I'm gonna let this potato boil for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna remove the potatoes. Next, we're gonna chop our garlic. So I have about half a cup of olive oil. Into the olive oil, I added the chopped garlic. Then I'm gonna let this go until the garlic is brown. This is what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna stop here. Next, into the potatoes, we're gonna add Sazón Goya. Just 1 packet, guys. A dash of salt. Red pepper flakes, onion powder, black pepper, paprika. Then I'm gonna mix all this. Okay. Next, I'm gonna strain the oil into the potatoes. I'm gonna toss everything together, just like so, guys. I have a greased baking sheet pan here. Then I'm gonna transfer my potatoes into the baking sheet tray. Okay, now I'm gonna bake this for 45 minutes. At 35 minutes, I'm gonna flip them, then let them cook all the way through. In 30 minutes, now we're gonna flip our potatoes, just like so, guys. It's been 45 minutes and our potatoes are done, guys. Look how they crusted. It's so good. Looks good, guys. Perfect crust. Now we're gonna plate our potatoes. potatoes. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our newly uploaded videos. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and please guys, follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Until next time guys, bye. And for my